Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all students. How are you all? Our topic is fermentation. Class 10 Biology, Chapter 17 Biotechnology. Topic fermentation. Today we will discuss about fermentation. What is fermentation? Fermentation is a biochemical process which is similar to cellular respiration. We know what is cellular respiration. The breaking of CH bonds present in the food by use of oxygen by oxidation and reduction reaction, or complete oxidation and reduction of food resulting in production of energy in the form of ATP is called cellular respiration or aerobic respiration. Fermentation is like aerobic respiration, but just in the start. The first step of aerobic respiration called glycolysis, and the first step of fermentation is also called glycolysis. After the glycolysis is over, fermentation takes another route away from aerobic respiration. Fermentation is also called anaerobic respiration. It involves the breakdown of glucose into pyruvic acid or pyruvate. One molecule of glucose is broken into two molecules of pyruvate, also called pyruvic acid. This step, first step of fermentation, is called glycolysis, and it is same in fermentation as well as aerobic respiration. Scientists many years ago, before the modern discoveries in this field of science, thought that fermentation is just a chemical process. But in 1857, Louis Pasteur convinced all the scientific community that fermentation is not a chemical process, but it is purely a biochemical process. To all the types of fermentation, a particular type of microorganism is always involved. And a type of fermentation is specialized or characterized by a particular type of the microorganism. For example, when glucose is broken down into the pyruvic acid, this initial step is crucial. After the formation of pyruvic acid, there are two pathways. Either lactic acid is produced by the breakdown of pyruvic acid, or alcohols are produced by the breakdown of the pyruvic acid. When pyruvic acid results in lactic acid, the type of fermentation is called lactic acid fermentation. And when pyruvic acid is broken down into alcohol and carbon dioxide, then it is called alcoholic fermentations. Means the type of the end product names the type of fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation is the fermentation in which end product of the fermentation is alcohol and carbon dioxide. Lactic acid fermentation is the fermentation in which the end product is lactic acid only, no carbon dioxide. Now, as I already have described it, that alcoholic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation, being the two types of the fermentation, will also be controlled by two types of the organisms. Alcoholic fermentation is controlled by the fungus yeast. Many types of yeasts control alcoholic fermentation. In alcoholic fermentation, alcohol and carbon dioxides are produced from the breakdown of a pyruvic acid. Alcoholic fermentation is used to obtain bread, wine, and beer. The most fermented food, which is favorite of most of the people, is bread. Wine and beer are also very common in the Western countries or cultures. These are a product of alcoholic fermentation. We get bread, wine, beer, and other spirited drinks by the help of alcoholic fermentation. You see, bread is swollen soft. The reason for rising or swelling or softening of the bread is the trapped carbon dioxide. When during the alcoholic fermentation carbon dioxide is released, it gets entrapped in the particles, in the spaces present between the particles of the bread. That is why bread seems to be swollen. These act as fast food. Alcoholic fermentation is aided or controlled by various yeasts of genus Saccharomyces, in particular Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Now we talk about the other type of the fermentation depending upon the end product, that is lactic acid fermentation, which is when lactic acid is found from the breakdown of pyruvic acids. Lactic acid fermentation is carried out by bacteria called lactic acid bacteria. Lactobacillus and Streptobacillus are the bacteria which are used for lactic acid fermentation. By using the lactic acid fermentation, we get butter, yogurt, cheese, and we also make pickles, means we can store the food with the help of lactic acid and some salt. So each type of fermentation is defined by the end product of the fermentation, and each type of the fermentation is under control of a particular type of microorganism, as alcohol by yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae, lactic acid by bacteria Lactobacillus and Streptobacillus or Streptococcus, these bacteria.